Hey there guys, it's Chris the Tech Guy. Today I want to show you how to create videos using Synthesia AI. And these are AI avatar videos that are extremely popular right now. Essentially, you can replace an influencer by just using an AI avatar video, and Synthesia AI is one of the most popular ways to do this. So step number one on how to create videos on Synthesia AI is to go to the dashboard. And if you haven't found that yet, consider using my affiliate link in the description to go check it out. Maybe you're researching it. What's really cool is you can get a free trial using that link in the description. But step number one, once you're at the dashboard, what we need to do is figure out what style of video you want. So step number two, what we want to do is click on this new video button right here, or you can also see it over here. So click here. And there's kind of two ways to do this on Synthesia AI. What you can do is you can choose from their templates on how you want to create the videos. As you can see here, they have a bunch of templates in which you can create a video using their AI avatars. Like this is a product demo, a futuristic product demo. This is a corporate avatar training style video. This is a stylish product demo. So what you can do is use their templates, or you can create a video from scratch. So let's just go ahead and create a video from scratch. That's what you do, is click down here, start from blank. So then step number three is going to be to open up the video and to choose what type of avatar you want to use. So as you can see here, this is a blank slate of a video. And then if you go over here to the right-hand side, what you can do is choose your avatar. So just click on the avatar right here. And as you can see, we can choose from any of these avatars. And again, some of them are going to have different voices. Some of them are going to have different ways in how they say things. What I tend to do is kind of just try to suit the avatar or the type of person to what type of video you're going to be doing. So if I'm going to be doing, like, let's say, for example, we'll do a corporate style warehouse video. Maybe it's like on how to train someone to do something in a warehouse. This guy, I don't know, it's really up to you on what you're feeling. And again, if we just left click, we can drop and drag them wherever we want. If you go up to the top here, we have a navigation of icons in which we can change things. We can change the avatar, we can click on media, and then I can add some media to the background as well. So if I click this looks like an actual warehouse background. So if I put this in the background, this would be perfect for our video. And what I want to do is I want to put our avatar in front. So click on the avatar, right click, and then bring to front. And now we have what looks to be a talking head video with a background, as if this was professionally shot. And all you have to do here is, step number four is to put your script down here. So if you have a script on something you want to be said, just put your script in here. If you want like a different style layout within the video here, what you can do is click this button right here on add scene. And it's gonna open up a bunch of scene templates. Like, say if you wanted some captions or graphics to pop up, like this. If we click this scene here, we can kind of modify it off of this. And you can edit each of these. So you're kind of getting the gist of what it could look like. You can also customize your logo. What I'm trying to say here, guys, is anything you think you could customize in the video itself, you can customize. Like, it's a full video editor built in, and on top of that, you have these really cool AI avatars that we can be added to it. And then once you're done with your video in this setup, all you do is click generate, and it's going to generate your video. You can also click play to play your video, but just so you know, when you click play, I kind of realized that the actual avatar doesn't move his mouth until you actually generate the video, just so you know. So then next one I want to show you is a full-length video that I just created, or an example essentially of what a video could look like that I just created. So if you want to see an example, I'm going to crank up the volume here a little bit for us. All right, let's click play here, and let me know in the comments. Can you tell if this video is generated by AI or not? Let me know in the comments down below, because I think you're going to be thoroughly blown away.
If you want to grow on social media, there are a few key things you absolutely have to get right. First, consistency is everything. Pick a posting schedule.
Okay, so I don't know about you guys, but I was absolutely blown away by that. And this is a basic avatar. There's not even a background. And you can just go in there and edit it at any point. And you can sit here and edit it. So, and this is like super cool. Like I've been messing around with so many of these videos. We've been using these with companies. I do some small business content creation for businesses. I essentially live and breathe video. Like, we've been doing some crazy stuff. They have templates. You can do product demonstration stuff. The world is really your oyster as far as creating these AI avatar videos. And what's really cool is, so you can use their AI avatars, which they have like 100 of them, and there's so many of them to choose from. Or what we can do is we can train and use this tool to create avatars of ourselves, which is low-key insane, right? And to do that, all we have to do is essentially go to this section right here, selfie avatars. It's probably not going to let me go into it just because I'm using my webcam. All you essentially do is you feed it your camera, and you just kind of it walks you through this process where you sit there and speak to the camera. Make sure to take your glasses off. I had to do that. And then just speak clearly, and then it records a video of you reading the script, and then it learns it. And then you have yourself an AI avatar. And all I got to say is you're going to be blown away. And it kind of makes a person wonder. It's just like, it really has me wondering, like, am I wasting time shooting content? Like, or could I be just using these AI avatars? Because if you think about it, you're saving the time of recording the entire video. And then not only that, but video editing. I pay a video editor overseas, but the AI avatar route, I don't have to pay editors anymore because they don't make mistakes. So, like, it's kind of mind-blowing the things you could be doing with it. But what we've been doing is mainly using like the generic avatars they have. So that's really easy to do. And if you click on the Home tab at all throughout this dashboard, it'll show you these features at the top here are essentially everything they do. So we talked about creating the new videos. You can use their templates, or you can just create videos from scratch. Then we have the AI Video Assistant, which essentially we can upload any file, like a PDF, a PowerPoint, a Word, a text file. You can upload it here, and it will create a video for you based on that. You can also put a URL of an article. Like if we found how to become a content creator, if I found an article on this, how to become a content creator. So if I copied this URL from the Wander Lover, which is kind of weird, and then I pasted it, and then I told it what type of template. Let's just do a stylish corporate video. And then I'll do a 1-minute video. And it just takes a second to kind of crawl the article here. Yeah, this is an article. thewanderlover.com. Just, I want to source that. I'm not stealing your content. Then click on Create Outline. And it will legit create a video based on the article. So this also gets the ball rolling with ideas. It's just like, you could create an educational YouTube channel, or turn all the articles from your website into informational videos where someone is talking with an avatar. And it turns out really good. Like, I'm low-key blown away by this. So here's the outline that it came up with. The rise of the creator economy, choosing your platform and niche, creating quality content. And again, it'd probably be way more, but I only chose it to do a 1-minute video because I didn't want to sit here and wait like 20 minutes for it to finish. And again, guys, if you want to check out Synthesia AI at any point during this video, consider signing up using my affiliate link down below, or just checking it out. What's really cool is if you use my link down below, you'll get a free trial. And in that trial, I think you get like 5 to 7 days to just kind of test things and see if it works. I'm confident though, if you test it out, that it's gonna blow your mind. Because we're using this tool now like legit for businesses, and I can use these avatars in videos. Like, it's crazy. And what it does is it makes these scenes for the video, and then you can go in there and edit it. If you just go to continue an editor, you can edit everything in here. And it's the same editor as I showed you before. We can customize everything. See this? And here's a script, and this guy's going to say it when I generate the video, and he's going to talk it. And if you click generate, then it generates your video. It's literally that simple. So there's that feature as well in the tool that we can be using. And again, this is a beginner's guide on how to use Synthesia AI. It's an awesome AI avatar video creator. It's one of the best. A lot of people ask me, is this the best? Is Synthesia AI the best to use versus like HeyGen? And the answer is yes, in my personal opinion. I've dissected and broke down both of these tools. They're the top two right now. HeyGen, don't get me wrong, is cheaper. If you're looking to do like a ton of videos, HeyGen is cheaper because with one of their plans you get unlimited videos. So just know that. And again, I'll throw links to both down below just in case you want to cross compare them or whatever. But the quality of Synthesia AI is better than HeyGen, and that's my personal opinion. And then the next feature we have, the next step, you can do AI dubbing. Essentially, you just paste your video link here, or you can upload it. I'll show you a video of the results that we got on that. That's pretty cool, actually. So I uploaded a 29-second video, and here's the results. I'm going to crank up the volume just because I noticed that when you output the videos in other languages, that it's kind of low in volume. But let's just have a listen.
Здравейте, казвам се Крис и съм от Съединените американски щати. Това е моето тесто.
Okay, so obviously my one complaint is that the lips just don't line up perfectly, but what do you expect? They're taking a different language and they're taking your language and doing a different language. They're dubbing it, which is crazy. And then the last feature that I don't know if a lot of people are going to use, it's where you can upload a PowerPoint into the tool Synthesia and it turns it into video. I don't really know. I feel like this tool is known for the AI avatars and just creating videos with that. So again, this is how to fully use this, my beginner's guide. And essentially you get everything. They also have a voices feature where you can mess around with voices and stuff and you can add new voices. But I don't feel like that's if you're doing like faceless videos and stuff, which I don't feel like a lot of people are doing. I mean, why would you do faceless when I can use an AI avatar like this? Like, I'm still blown away by the quality here.
If you want to grow on social media, there are a few key things you absolutely have to get right.
It's just crazy.
Unity. And finally, leverage trends. Stay on top of what's popular in your niche, whether it's trending sounds, hashtags, or challenges.
And I get a lot of questions, people asking me, you know, Chris, can people tell the difference with this? And I think the answer is yes. But my advice to you is to only do, when you're creating these videos, add B-roll to the videos. You know, like only have like 3 seconds of this guy talking and then go to B-roll. Only give the viewer 3 seconds while they're sitting there watching the video, because if they can sit there and look at it and dissect it, they're going to start to realize that it's not like super human-like. You know what I mean? So this tool, Synthesia, super, super crazy. This is my full beginner's tutorial guide on how to use it. Let me know in the comments if you need any help with anything. I'm a normal person. I just live and breathe video, and I review these and just do tutorial videos. Again, all links will be in the description. I have courses, coaching, affiliate links to just everything you can think of in the 2 softwares and tools I talked about today. All right, guys, I'll see you guys in the next one. And don't forget to subscribe. Subscribe! Okay, bye.